Today we're just doing a little introduction into cooperative care training. Cooperative care just means teaching your dog to actively participate in handling, grooming, medical procedures instead of just tolerating it or it happening to them. This approach gives your dog choice and control, which research shows reduces stress and anxiety during necessary procedures. Look, we have to do these things with our dogs. We have to get groomed. We have to go to the vet. So it's better that they learn this is a normal thing that we do regularly. So this little doggy just needs to feel a little more comfortable with brushing. So I'm just slowing everything down. He's been brushed, he tolerates, but he might look at the brush a lot. He's shown his teeth before at the brush, so he's telling us, I don't feel super comfortable. This is just a really simplified version of what you might think of as the bucket game, where there's a little treat cup, and the dog can either look at the treat or the handler, and then food comes into the cup. This little doggy is very food motivated, so a lot of times he'll try to meet the food as it's coming to the bucket. Basically, I'm just trying to get him used to, we're going to do this a lot over the course of the next 2 weeks for a couple of minutes. And basically, I don't want him to check in on the brush so much. I want him just to look at me and be like, this is cool, normal stuff. So why train for cooperative care? It reduces stress and fear, whether he needs to go see a groomer, or be handled by a veterinarian, or if something comes up. So everybody should be doing this with their dog. It doesn't have to be a brush. It could be checking their ears, their gums, their feet, whatnot, their belly. Anywhere that's sensitive for your dog, just lower the stress of the event and work on it when you don't need to do it. If your dog gets a thorn in their paw or needs their nails trimmed, cold weather, they need to wear booties, you gotta work on this stuff. So teaching the foundations is just, we're gonna stand on a table, we're gonna do it on the ground, or we're gonna involve a blanket or a chin rest. Do I need you to do anything? For this little dog, I just need him to hang out and let me come and start introducing this brushing. So bunch of repetitions, moving his body around. Here I'm distracting him with food. That's not the goal. So this is just a quick little montage, show you how to start. All done for today. Keep it short and simple, do it frequently, and it'll just get better and better.